Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran and this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are making Thanksgiving food for you. So our brine for our whole chicken, not turkey, or you could use this also for turkey as well, because that's what I've used originally for. But today we don't have a turkey, we have whole chicken. So we have water, we have apple juice, we have oranges, we have rosemary, we have sage and bay leaf, parsley, basil, herb de Provence, thyme, Italian seasoning, slap your mama seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, onions, garlic, and that is what is a little salt and some peppercorn.